Are you wondering how to install a microwave? Well, today is your lucky day. Let me go ahead and show you how. First, we are using an Amana microwave. Go ahead and open up, slice the top. Don't slice too far with a knife. Take the tape out. Grab everything that's loose out of the box. Take your knife and cut the corners just on one side. Again, try not to cut too far. So on this particular model, usually instructions come along with the microwave that has a template for the back side that you could put on the wall and know exactly where you have to go ahead and screw. And then also has a template for underneath the cabinet, where to drill the hole for the plug and then where to drill the 2 holes for the screws. So in this case, this particular model does not have that, but it has it attached to the cardboard itself. So you're just gonna wanna go ahead and take your knife and simply just cut along the dotted line. You have the template, and then your bracket's gonna go on the bottom, and then you're gonna flip this upside down, and then that's gonna go on top of the cabinet. And then we're going to put our handy dandy template up, like so, and double check. You're on the line, that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bracket that comes with the microwave. I'm gonna make sure the bottom goes to my line. And then I'm going to mark 3 holes where I am going to secure the bracket to the wall. So I like to do 1 on the right side, 1 in the middle, 1 on the left side. All right, so after you're lined up on the marks, take a level just to double check that you are indeed level. At this place, there's sheetrock, then there's only about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch gap behind the sheetrock, and then there's cinder block on the opposite side. So there's no room to go ahead and put the anchors that they gave you, are these, in the wall. Now, if you are doing this on an interior wall, so all you would have to do, drill a hole in that diameter, shove it in the hole, open it up, and then you just gotta tighten it down. And that's 1 anchor that is suitable to hold the weight from the microwave. But in this case, we don't have that. So what we're gonna be using is Tapcons. So I have to take a bit, drill the hole first, and then go ahead and put a Tapcon in right after it. Go ahead and get your mount, line it up with the holes. I like starting with one side first. I don't like drilling it all the way in until I could get the other 2 in, and also to make sure that it is level, and screw it into the hole. So what's next? We're gonna go ahead and drill 3 holes on the bottom of the cabinet. 1's gonna be for the plug, 2 are for the screws holding the microwave into place. Big arrows are going to the back. You're gonna put that up against the wall, hold it into place, take your pencil, Sharpie, chalk, whatever you wanna use, mark the holes underneath. So that way, now you know exactly where to drill a hole. So with the smaller screw holes, I'm gonna be using a 1/2 inch bit. And then for the larger plug, I'm gonna be using a 1 inch. Prep my screws, which are Phillips head, and then put those on top, ready. Just leave it up here because as things get in motion, everything's gonna go quickly. So you're gonna lift up the microwave, you're gonna tilt it, we're gonna put it right on the mounts in the back. You gotta make sure it's secured on the mounts in the back, but as that's secure, it's gonna be tilted forward. Then we're gonna go ahead and shove the plug through the hole, push the whole unit up, pull the plug out, and then secure it with the 2 screws on top. All right. So what I'm doing is just checking underneath to see if it's on that bracket. Now, I'm gonna tilt it towards me, shove the plug up in the hole, hope it fits. I'm not kidding, it will fit. All right, there we go. Secure in the hole. You're gonna get your screws, find your other hole that you already drilled, which should be right here. Feel around for connection. And now while that's up, you're gonna go get your second one. As you're still holding your hand with the other one, just to make sure it doesn't slip out and fall on you. And then now I could screw it down just enough where I saw it move up. So now I know that is 100% secure. I can go over on this other side and screw that down as well. I wanna make sure it's level. Grab yourself a level again, and it's favoring one side. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw up this other side. Not a lot though, just enough. That is it. Perfect. So the last thing you're gonna wanna do is take your plug, plug it in. I like to remove the film. We can close the doors up top, good. And then remove everything on the inside. You're gonna grab the wheels. You're gonna put down the wheels first. Then you're gonna grab your plate. Underneath has 3 knobs. That's gonna go on the downside on top of where the wheel is. And then lastly, you're gonna have a filter, and that's gonna go up underneath just like that. All right, guys, that job is complete. That's all you have to do to install a microwave, right? Easy. 1, 2, 3, it's installed. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you. You could put a microwave in, just take your time, make sure you have the proper tools, and that goes a long way. As long as you have the proper tools, you could build anything. Please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to see more of the content that I'm putting out there that's similar to this. Now, where I'm going to leave you is if you wanted to check out some more of my content, go ahead and check this playlist out. But until then, guys, stay handy. I'll see you guys later. Bye.